Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Christian. Today we're going to speak about what's happening on the Bitcoin price, because right now guys the situation is extremely dangerous because we are still under this $28,000, and it seems that Bitcoin won't palm again over $28,000, which, as you know, this blue line is a very strong daily resistance, and it's going to play a big role guys if we're going to close a daily candle over this resistance. But unfortunately today we're going to close the daily candle under this resistance, so that means that we can see furthermore dump as the next move for the Bitcoin price. But the most important part of this video is that we're gonna see tomorrow guys the inflation rate, the CPI data, which actually gonna determine if we're gonna have some bullish action or furthermore bearish action. So in this video I'm gonna analyze all these things and what I'm gonna expect as the next move for the Bitcoin price. So if you would like to know that, all you need to do is to remain until the end of the video. And before we continue, I would like to declare you that I'm not financial advisor. Whatever you're gonna see in this video is my own personal opinion, my personal approach. Always do your own research before any kind of financial investment. And also guys, I would like to show you my Patreon channel, where here you're gonna find buy signals, especially low cap gems with massive potential, great teams behind. I have spent hours to find these projects, and those projects can do from 100x up to 1000x. And also you're gonna have my sell signals, stake signals, access to my portfolio, access to my strategies. But the most important part is actually the Telegram VIP community, where multimillionaires included. And also guys, here we're working like a family. We discuss the current situation of the Bitcoin, we review altcoins, whatever it needs someone for become wealthy. And actually my main goal, my main purpose is to make every single soldier that is going to join on this group wealthy. Okay, this is my main purpose of this Telegram VIP community. And also whatever question obviously you're going to have, you can ask it here, and you won't be alone on this on your crypto journey. We all together on this, we're working like a team. So without losing more time, let's get back to our analysis. I will say with a very brief way guys what you need to look on this current chart on the daily time frame. As you can see, right now we are standing at $27,600, which as you can see on the chart, we are under this blue line, which is a very strong and crucial daily resistance, which, if you remember, I had told you plenty of times that if we're gonna actually close a daily candle above this blue line, it's actually a bullish sign. So with this massive symmetrical triangle that I gave you before the breakout, and I told you that this is gonna break the next coming days, and it broke the day that I made this video, and they broke, it was to the downside. I gave 70% odds to break to the upside, 30% odds to break to the downside. Unfortunately, it happened to the downside, and right now guys, you can clearly see that as we are under this blue line, the situation is extremely dangerous to get straight into the technical price target of this symmetrical triangle, which I'm gonna implement it immediately. As you can clearly see here, we have technical price target, exactly the most crucial part. It's not precisely the number, but it's very close. The technical price target is the $25,500, and the strong support here is this red line, which is the most important and crucial support for the Bitcoin, which is the $25,200. And the time that we're gonna break this red line, the situation is gonna become nightmare and very dramatic, because guys, we're gonna get straight into very low prices, to $22,000, $23,000, even $20,000 or even below. So I hope we won't see this nightmare, and I believe personally, from technical and fundamental side, that Bitcoin won't drop under this $25,200. I believe that if we're gonna get at that price, we're gonna bounce afterwards, and we're gonna break every kind of resistance. And also, before I continue, I would like to tell you in a very brief way that we have this very strong weekly resistance, which is this green line, and also the most crucial and important resistance of the Bitcoin price is this yellow line, which is the $30,500 area. And the time that we're gonna break this resistance with a confirmation of a daily and weekly candle, and we're gonna close let's say $32,000, then the situation is going to become extremely bullish, and probably we're going to continue furthermore pump to the upside. And probably we will never ever come back under $30,000 the time that we're gonna break this massive resistance, because this resistance was the previous support of the previous bull run of 2021. That's why it's played big role. So for me, the good thing, guys, of this current situation is that the Dixie didn't pump at all, which play big role. But this is gonna very volatile for the Dixie, because for the next move, because we have the inflation rate, and actually, with the inflation rate, we can see big fluctuation on the price of Dixie. But guys, I believe no matter what's going to happen on the inflation rate or the CPI data, I believe that in the next coming weeks, Dixie will drop. No matter what's going to happen here with some volatility or whatsoever, it's going to drop under of $100, and this is going to be super bullish for the Bitcoin price. That's why I don't believe that we can drop under $25,200. We have bank crisis, we have global economic crisis. I believe people gonna pull off the money from the banks and gonna start investing it and actually save the money on Bitcoin price. That's why right now Bitcoin is standing on those high prices. Okay, because as I explained you in my previous videos, go watch my last 3-4 videos, you're gonna understand what I'm talking to you right now about. And let's speak about the CPI inflation rate, because also this play big role. And guys, as you can clearly see, we are the previous on the March we have 5%, which was quite low. We dropped from 6 to 5, which was a significant decreasement. And right now we have the consensus prediction, which is 5%, and we have the trading economics forecast at 4.9. For me, if we're gonna see 5% or even a 4.9%, which means that we won't see any drop or raise on the inflation rate, the situation will be actually move in a sideways. We won't see something significant on the market. But if we're gonna see, let's say, 4.5 the inflation rate, this could be bullish. Okay, this could be bullish for the stock market, and also Bitcoin will follow. But if we're gonna see, guys, a raise back to 6 or 6.4, 6.5 again, this could be very bad for the SP 500 and for the stocks and for the global economy. And actually, there is a big probability to see big dump for the SP 500 back to $4,000, because right now it's standing at $4,120. And at that time, guys, because Bitcoin, as you know from my previous videos, it seems that decoupled from the SP 500, there is a big probability to see some kind of bounce. Okay, because it's going most of the times opposite of the SP 500, because the adoption that we spoke about. So if you're gonna see again inflation back to 6.56, there is a big probability to see bounce for the Bitcoin and dump for the SP 500. Okay, mark my words, there is a big probability to see something like that. And also from the 4-hour time frame, I would like to say that, and I'm gonna close the video, guys. There is, as you can clearly see, is a beautiful downtrend movement with a massive strong support, which is the area approximately of the $27,000. If this scenario is gonna happen, then we're gonna enter into a nightmare. But I believe a lot from the technical side, and only that there is also big probability to come on this $27,000, okay, and bounce again by breaking this downtrend movement. If this downtrend movement resistance is gonna break, there is obviously the scenario to see a reversal, which gonna lead the Bitcoin price back to the base of this downtrend movement, the beginning, the start point. With other words, and actually this point is the $30,000. So if we're gonna break this downtrend resistance, there is a big probability to see reversal back to $30,000. But obviously this is from the technical side. The most major part is gonna play tomorrow. How we're gonna react on this inflation rate report, the CPI data. So this is the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know down below in the comment section what you believe we're gonna see tomorrow as the inflation rate. What do you believe we're gonna see as a report of the inflation rate? Do you believe it's gonna be under? It's gonna be the same, over, whatsoever? Let me know down below in the comment section. And also, we'll see you all in my next video. Until then, your boy Chris out. Bye.